request the top 5 finalists to kindly step forward, please. Our finalists, we have Dame Pishisha Kongjo, contestant number 7, Malaysia El Nongpri, contestant number 8, Sonia Medika Balawansuk Nongrom, contestant number 17. Ladies and gentlemen, these are our 5 finalists, and remember, one of them will be the Miss Ribhoi Tourism 2022.
Louder? All right, I'm sure me and George.
Exactly.
A big round of applause for contestant number 20, Surya Ramsang.
Question to you is, who is the one person who you look up to and why?
Any guesses? Second runners-up of Miss Ribhoi Tourism 2022 is contestant number 7, Deva Pishisha Kongjo.
From the girl who doubted her ability, who have a stage phobia, who questioned her existence, to the girl who stand here in front of you all facing the crowd, from the girl who feels her world has shattered apart because she lost both of her parents, to the girl who weep with full of hopes, from the girl who has been facing bullying, body shaming and being called with funny names, to the girl who could forgive all of that and aspire to inspire the youth. Hello everyone, I'm Dema Pishisha Kongjo, born and brought up in this beautiful land of Ribhoi district, Palm Siem Nongpo. I love to surround myself with children since I'm the blessed aunt of 8. Spending and cooking for them give me immense joy. My favorite pastime has to be planting and taking care of flowers. I want to reach the goal of empowering, to empower that no matter what the circumstances, the obstacle is, we must move on. We must overcome to make a difference for the better. And the attire that I'm wearing right now, this beautiful Khasi traditional attire, and I complete this attire with a touch-up of traditional accessories, the paila and a shawl giant India. Thank you everyone. Have a good evening, Palm Siem.
Once again, can we have a big round of applause for Ms. Dema Pishisha Kongjo, wearing the traditional Rongshak Mahar and blended with a wonderful India.
Judges and to all of you present here. I am Jessica Balawansuk Nongrom, residing in Nongpo Downgate. I have completed my master's degree in physics and I'm now currently working in the Department of Handloom Nongpo. I love singing, cooking and playing basketball. My biggest strength is my family, who is always there supporting me in times of need. My purpose in life is to add value in the lives of people around me and to spread positivity. Our lives are full of problems and difficulties, and I believe that these are the tools that God fashions us for success. The traditional attire I'm wearing right now is a Khasi traditional dress which signifies simplicity and purity. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening, everyone.
Let's give it up for Jessica